guys, welcome to Merlin's Ears and welcome to today's room tour. We're currently staying at the Hilton Universal City Hotel. We're about 5 minutes away from Universal Studios Hollywood, and it's a 5-minute walk, but the hotel also does I believe it's complimentary shuttle as well. We've literally just checked in now. We're only here for one night, and Neil surprised us by getting a upgrade to a king corner suite, so I'm just going to flip the camera around now and show you the room, and at the end I'll just do a quick montage of the hotel facilities. Like I say, we are only here for one night, so we're probably not going to get a chance to experience the facilities ourselves. We're literally just here to lay ahead for the night, but I'm going to flip the camera around now and show you the room. So as you come in, you've got a nice kind of little sort of vanity desk and mirror. You come along here, the bathroom's pretty special. Look at this. Okay, so there's no bath, but there's a huge shower there. Let me see if I can figure out how to, there we go. So you've got complimentary toiletries. You've got shower gel, shampoo and conditioner by, is that Crabtree? Never heard of them, but I'm sure, oh yeah, Crabtree and Evelyn, oh I know who they are. So very fancy. I'll just close that there. Nice sort of vanity area with a single sink, lots of towels and a hairdryer down the bottom. Obviously a toilet for doing your business. And there's a really nice separate area here to do your makeup. So it's got a really nice light around the mirror, nice little stool and some tissues. Let's come out here. I believe this must be, oh yes, the wardrobe. So you've got up there extra blankets and pillows. You've got an iron and ironing board. Safe and a luggage rack down the bottom as well. There's some more storage up here. You've got a coffee machine, ice bucket, and Harry's left his hat and bottle of water down the bottom. Nice kind of seating area here, and this is the main room itself. So there's a king size bed, a dressing table either side of the bed there. Got an alarm clock with USB sockets, which is very handy because this camera is about to die on me as we speak. There's a desk. A sofa. Now I'm hoping this pulls out into a sofa bed of some sort, because as you can see there's only one king size bed and there's 3 of us, so I'm hoping that converts to a bed for Harry. We've got a nice glass table here, TV with more storage. I wonder if there's a fridge in one of these. Let's have a look. Aha, there we go. Oh, there we go. So we've got a fairly decent sized fridge, which is handy. And some drawers here. I think all of these are just drawers. You're literally seeing this for the first time with me, yeah, just drawers. But the reason for this room, this room is so special, yes, it is a King Deluxe corner suite, but look at this view, look at that. We've got a park view. I can see Hogwarts from here. It's amazing. Look at that. You can even see the archway, the entrance to the park, just there in the centre of the frame. So that's how close we are to Universal. So like I say, you're seeing the room for the first time with us. We haven't sampled any of the facilities yet. We haven't even sat on the bed yet, so I can't say how comfortable or my experience of the hotel at the moment, but I'll check back in with you tomorrow when I do the outro for the vlog, and I'll just give you our thoughts on the quality of the bed and the comfort and everything, and then for now, here's the montage of the hotel facilities. So it's the next morning of our stay at the Hilton Universal City, so now we've stayed here the night. I thought I'd just give you a quick review. So the main bed, fantastic, really comfortable. However, poor Harry, the sofa did convert into a sofa bed, but it was very uncomfortable. It's quite a thin mattress. I mean, it's very. Let me see if I can sit on it. Yeah. It's really squeaky, bless him. So he didn't have the best night's sleep, I don't think. But the main bed was fine. The bathroom, the towels, really nice. The shower gel, shampoo, and the body lotion, which was Crabtree and Evelyn, didn't really smell of anything. We're staying at another hotel near Disney, and the toiletries that come with that hotel are really quite nice and fragrant. So just as a comparison, they literally smelt of nothing, which was quite weird. But I think what you're getting here, you're paying basically for the location. I don't know if it's going to pick it up, but the park is literally there. So it took us 5 minutes to walk to Universal. So in terms of location, this hotel is fantastic. Bearing in mind we did pay for an upgrade, all that you got, I mean, obviously we've got the view and a larger room, but you don't really get much in terms of anything extra. We got 2 bottles of water for the room. But things like in the bathroom, you know, some hotels give you kind of like a little pot of, I don't know, like cotton buds, makeup remover, stuff like that. There was nothing extra apart from the basics in terms of toiletries. But that being said, it was a comfortable hotel. It was very quiet. Didn't hear any noise, and it's supposed to be fully booked because of HHN. So yeah, it was really quiet. It's good for what it, it wasn't overly expensive, so I think you're paying for location. So we'd definitely stay here again if we were to visit Universal Hollywood. Thank you so much for joining us for this room tour, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.